Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Lenovo ThinkCentre M80q or M90q Gen 4 tiny desktop. We're talking about the ATEC 48GB DDR5 SATA module. For those unfamiliar, RAM, or random access memory, is crucial for multitasking and handling demanding applications. The more RAM you have, the smoother your system runs, especially when juggling multiple programs or working with large files. This ATEC module is specifically designed for the Lenovo ThinkCentre M80q Gen 4 and M90q Gen 4 tiny desktops. Models 12x10 to the power of 9, 12EA, 12EH, and 12EL. It's a single 48GB stick, so make sure your system can support that density. This is a DDR5 SODIMM, which is the form factor used in these compact desktops. It features 262 pins for secure connection. The speed is rated at 5,600 MHz, also known as PC5-44800 or PC5-5600B. This high speed translates to faster data transfer rates, which is especially beneficial for memory-intensive tasks. It's a non-ECC unbuffered module, operating at the JetX standard voltage of 1.1V. The 2RX8 designation means it's a dual-rank module with an X8 organization. This can sometimes offer a slight performance advantage compared to single-rank modules. The real benefit here is expanding your system's memory capacity. This upgrade can significantly improve performance by reducing bottlenecks and increasing your system's ability to handle larger workloads. Think smoother video editing, faster data processing, and improved responsiveness when running multiple applications simultaneously. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes a quick and easy at-home installation, requiring no specialized expertise. Of course, always refer to your ThinkCentre's manual for specific instructions on RAM installation, including proper seating and channel configuration. ATEC puts these memory modules through rigorous quality control testing to ensure reliability. This is crucial, as you want your RAM to be stable and dependable. They also back their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they offer tech support both before and after your purchase, which is a nice bonus if you run into any questions or issues. If you're looking to maximize the performance of your compatible Lenovo ThinkCentre tiny desktop, the ATEC 48GB DDR5 RAM module is definitely worth considering. The increased capacity and high speed can make a noticeable difference in your everyday computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.